Tree chroming. That's original. I have the AMX 390 stickers. These are not original. I have the original. Need to be re-chromed and put back on. This is not original. I have the original. Needs to be fixed and put on. 390. 2-barrel Carter. Rebuilt with one kit found in the United States when I had the engine rebuilt. I need to put the under hood insulation on. I have it. I have all the clips. A lot of minor stuff to be done. Put a better radiator on it. It has the awesome AMX grill. Original NOS. So,